We're trading spaces today. You guys want to see what we're working on? I think that's the wrong way. It goes the other way.
No, you don't.
Because it has to pull in from the other one and push the fluid out. So what we're working on today is his girlfriend's car. See, we're both just servicing our girlfriend's cars because we're little bitches to the game, but this car is pretty cool. It's a Corolla Coupe, 4AGE. I don't know if, was it originally a GTS?
Yeah.
So
it has SR5 rear end.
Oh no, but it's got a spool.
So I'm fine with it, yeah.
And you guys got these Advans while you're in Japan, right?
Yeah, Japan.
Shipped them back. That's cool. But it's a pretty nice car. She's a painter, so she painted it. It's got a kit on it. Some other little modifications.
I'll check gloves.
There's gloves right there.
Yeah, they're so
Dude, they're gloves. Man, your zoom is impeccably slow on this camera.
I don't mind zoom.
End focus, come on. There you go, look, baller ass black Arrow gloves. I want to pump you up.
It's not working.
I'll help you. No, I just don't think you're in the fluid. Man, you're gonna make me touch this now.
No.
I'll put gloves on.
Where's the rag at? Rag at.
You help me with stuff. I'll return the favor. I'm going in
It's
on
not
a
mine.
AE86, older than me.
85.
3 years older than me. Now everybody on YouTube knows how old I am.
She don't like the old stuff.
The old stuff?
Yeah.
That's why she has you.
I'm old now.
You're older. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we'll just set the camera here and shoot for the best. It's probably good.
You can see like this, go like this.
I didn't want to break it. Just leave it alone. Oh, it's back.
Now we're just black people.
All right, look. I know how to fix it. Now we're just dark people. Okay, so you gotta make sure this is actually where the fluid's at. So, where the fluid at? Okay, go ahead. Oh God, don't bump. Oh my God, if you dump this on my head, I'm gonna be so mad.
How many hands do I need? Oh, it's gonna ruin my jacket.
Yeah, probably already did.
Oh God.
Here it comes.
Really?
Yep,
When?
it's coming slow. There it is. It's because it's 45 degrees and this is 85, 140, whatever. Yeah, 85, 140. Here it comes. Ready? It's getting there.
Magic. Don't you fucking come on.
Still not even there yet. Go a little slower. Oh yeah, there it goes. Now you're getting somewhere. It's the fluid's so cold. Once it fills that thing, you'll be good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Oh. Well, the way I do it at the track is I have an air tank. I just fill the air tank with the fluid and then air it up and then pull the canister open. So it just blows all the fluid right into it immediately. There it goes.
I think I was stuck on something.
Prepare yourself for the leak.
I don't think it's going to.
Think it's empty?
I don't know. Sketchy.
Oh my God, I thought we were gonna blow that push lock out and shoot it all over me. All right, the suspense. It's funny because we did all that and shut the garage door, but we left the door, or I left the door open, so we're still backlit.
It's okay.
2 dudes pumping trannies in silhouette. The fluid is so grossly thick.
I taste that plug.
Oh yeah.
And I was like,
Well, it's 30. This transmission is 30 something years old.
it's like actual dinosaur oil.
Yeah, breaking oil from the Stone Ages.
Stone Ages.
Stone Ages. It's funny to think like the car under the cover there is 16 years older than this.
Yeah, how old is it?
69.
Chanel 280Z is 68.
Yeah, it's old. It's like 3 times my age. Math is wrong. Everyone on YouTube knows how old I am now. Yep, I'm almost 30 years old and I'm still with this dumb shit.
Dude, is it even coming now?
It should be, yeah.
There we go. Whatever we did.
It's good now. Well, the thing is, with this transfer pump, the hose being this long, it holds a half a quart in the freaking hoses. Yeah, I will say, this thing's pretty clean though, considering.
Yeah.
I was gonna get a battery in that Cummins truck and drive it around a little bit today.
This works on
But
your.
it's not dry enough.
This works on your pectorals.
Pectorals. That CrossFit, dog. Yeah, pretty much use all of it.
And how those you?
Is it full yet? No. Keep going, bro. Gear oil smells like death. I'd rather deal with ATF any day.
No, ATF is horrible too.
This is way worse. Gear oil smells like old
I
dead
can't
people.
taste this one in here. ATF, I can.
Really going for it. We're gonna have to switch over to that severe gear here in a minute. The boosh boosh. It's like cushion for your gears.
You're sponsored.
Oh! Don't bump! Oh, don't let it leak. This stuff's like molasses, dude. This is what you use in welded dips because it's so shitty that it like foams when you're driving and it like catches all the debris and sits at the top of the dip. It's perfect. Because you know how like you weld a dip, you're supposed to like drive for like 20 miles and change your fluid. I don't do that. Honestly, the last 2 car diffs I put in that were welded, I didn't even weld. That's scary. You're like, I have no idea what it looks like in there. It's a 50-50 chance that it looks like total dog shit. Dude, you just put a whole quart in the damn transmission. I have some other shit we can make like a cocktail of fluid out of so you can fill it up. Let's see what I got here. Put some 2-cycle engine oil in there. I think this is all I have. This is severe gear. We can put some motor oil in there. It's all the same. We used to run our Miatas on straight 30 weight. The shit I run in my dog box is straight 250 weight. You gotta literally like torch the bottle before you put it in because it's like so thick. But like when I take my car apart, I literally have fluid like stuck to the gears. So that's good.
I wish I was still sponsored by oil company.
The best. I know. I put an order in with Pennzoil and I ordered like 2-stroke oil for the dirt bike stuff, truck diesel oil,
Like automatic transmission.
Baller
like,
ATF.
What do you need this for?
Yeah. Well, run ATF and all the steering system anyway. No, but I tell them like, hey, like I should be running Pennzoil in all my stuff, so let's get it all in all my stuff. They're like, okay. But we're waiting on that from them. We put the order in not too long ago, so I'll have some Pennzoil in there.
This was dry.
Empty. We're gonna need to get more.
I think I need to use seal in the back or something. So when I raise it up, I think
No, it'll flow out of there, dude, when it's full. That's just from doing that. Pretty much.
Really,
Getting there. But I said we can pump some 1030 motor oil into that. Like I said, that's what we used to run in our race cars when we ran Spec Miata because there's less drag. We'd fill the diffs with straight 50 weight motor oil and the transmissions with straight 30 weight motor oil. Sick. They shift like butter because everything's so thin. It's like click, 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 click. Alright. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. People are going to be commenting like, what are you doing? You're ruining your car. Like, you guys don't know what you're talking about. This should go a little bit easier.
ruining your car would be no fluid at all.
Why don't you just go to the store and get the right stuff?
Because we're lazy?
No, because it doesn't matter. I'd rather just get rid of all my old oil, pumping it into this transmission that doesn't know the difference.
It's gonna leak out anyways, probably. Is it synthetic? Yeah, full synthetic, so we'll know where the leak is coming from.
This is not. Oh, it is full synthetic. Ah! Danger! I'm so glad I was not on the, I don't think I was on the
I think we're
receiving
good.
end of that.
Are you good?
I'm good, I think.
Jesus Christ. I think it hit the top.
It
No?
hit the frame rail right there. Dude, you're going ham over here.
Won't stay in now.
No, there's no thing on the end of this one.
Oh yeah, where is the plug? Tension.
To how much we put in?
No.
Or to that?
I think that's still water over there. Where did it hit?
Right there, you can see.
Right here?
Up. And then forward backwards to the day right there.
Oh.
See if we can check to here.
Oh my god. This is ridiculous, dude. Glad we checked this.
All right, on to the next. We're just cleaning me out, bro. All right, all that is expensive stuff. How about some 1540 Delvac?
It has a semi truck on there.
Dude, that means it's heavy duty.
You good?
Oh,
Not good.
dude, on my jacket. Oh, God. Alright. Damn it. That jacket's RIP, dude. I'm gonna hit it with some brake clean here in a minute.
It'll be alright.
Dude, was there any? Because this only takes 2 quarts, probably.
It sounded alright. Shifted fine.